let me show you the way. So the basic of this modern jive step is the first 4 counts are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, the center at the back, 4 steps at the front. 1, 2, 3, 4. I lead my partner out. 7, 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12. So my main idea is dancing with my partner in the first 4 counts. Leading her out. Continue with my same step and interchanging space between us. So the option is either to start again or to come in with a close shuffle. So in, out, in, out. So what I do is bring her out in again and then move out. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 1. Now the other combination from the same step is instead of going to a horizontal position, I go into a open hand position. So I hold the partner this way and I do 1, 2, 3, 4. Same thing, I lead my partner out. Okay, so this is like a double hand turn. 9, 10, 11, 12. Back again to the first step, or back again to the shuffle. So if I'm doing the shuffle again, I'll move the gesture. 1, 2, 3. I'll raise this hand up. This hand will go down. So my left hand goes up, my right hand goes down, and I'll bring it up. The other combination is the same movement. 1, 2, 3, 4. So one was the upward down walk, and the other was the hammer lock. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is like a hammer lock. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then I go to the shuffle. The other combination of the step is 1, 2, 3, 4. I bring my partner 5, 6,